Hey everybody. Oh look, there's a box there. Let's see what's inside it. Oh my god! Look at that! Oh my... Kittens! 3 of them. Oh, so cute. You should call animal control to give them so they can be given a home. Oh, they're so cute. And I was told not to touch them. I can't resist. Nope, can't. Nope, won't touch them. I won't take a chance. Look how cute they are. Oh my god. Look how cute. Oh my god. I wonder where the mother is. Oh. That is so freaking adorable. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah. Get away from the mom's coming back.
Right now?
Anytime. But she's not gonna come back if you're there. You need to stay away from them.
I'm recording a video of them. Look at them.
No, but you need to get away from them, or the mom will not come back for them, and they will die. So get away from them.
All right, you heard him. I have to leave. Bye bye, kittens. So cute. So lovable. So, what's the word? I don't know. You think of one. Bye bye, kitten.